Like, you just pulled out your phone out of your shorts, Patrick. What are you doing? This plastic crab is crazy like over the range of makes.
Hala, butang ni tubig ha. Pag magkuhan ka. Take ba? Ha?
Wait a second.
Ah,
See this also?
Ako toothbrush na nito. Yandag na na ako.
Like, you just
Kumusta?
phone out of your shorts,
Long time no see.
She got like
Long time no see in my life.
your food again. Are you kidding me?
How are you guys? And how about me? Comment guys if you miss me going live. I'll be going to live every night. Just to say hi to my fans and everything. Guys, do you all miss me? Because sometimes I am lazy going live because my live is not earning anymore except when somebody is sending super chat and I make her sleep late and no income. So I prepare to sleep earlier than to go live without anything in return.
Everything's good again. I said, Francis.
I don't know why this time my YouTube channel is not like before because last time I get demonetized and then my I delete my viral video patulogin.
Good to me now.
Papa ko sa'yo daw electric fan, ma. Mm-mm.
Stop. Yeah, look at all our happy memories. Oh my goodness.
Maka-electric fan ba mag-iga? Kayo, ma? No? So very hot. So guys, if you watch my video, it's a very big help for me. As a single mom, it helps me a lot when you
Ma,
watch
tanawa ma.
the videos and
Nagnalagi ko, ma.
sige na, ma.
Wait lang.
Hey, can you work? Oh no.
Tas-
I don't know what's gonna happen to me now.
And what else?
No longer work, ma. Assistant, so patay na lang na.
Mm-mm.
Kaya mga high blood, isang heart.
Ako si electric fan ba? Number 3.
Lang ba, may patay ma, makakuha sa memories?
Sige na ba?
Pusa.
Electric fan, tapos dito ibang. Tapos ka na na? Ha? Why it's so hot in the evening, guys? How about you there when you go to sleep, you have an air condition? I mean, now I didn't use my air condition because I don't have good earnings. As I've said a while ago, my YouTube is not like before. So
Ma,
this is my source of income.
ma, patay na lang SpongeBob.
Me,
Kadungog pa ka ni sa
Ah.
music, ma?
depending on it,
Ma!
I don't have. Oh,
Even showed everyone.
hello to my 4 viewers. How are you?
So sad.
I'm glad to see you guys, even though we are not many in real life, but I'm still here, and I'm glad. I hope the other absents are coming on my next live. I'm still happy kung matulog mo. Tulog na lang mo yan, magdamay pa mo daw, di ka matulog po. What to? What do you mean? Ano ibig sabihin kung matulog?
It has to
Di
be like
ko maintindihan. Ako ba ang dahilan?
Squidward, this is a sad moment, and we got you. I'm not crying. What is this? It has to be like my opposite cologne or something. No. Squidward, this is a sad moment, and we got
Ano ibig sabihin doon? Hindi ko maintindihan. Erwin.
Patrick, but me and Plankton, this is wrong.
Ibig sabihin, you mean that I am going to sleep kasi tagal ko matulog.